Morning! I told you she wouldn't be happy at 3 in the morning. Well, it's now 4:45 in the morning. Any better? No, okay. Well, I'm not going to film after this until we get on the train because we've got to take all these big bags, which weigh 24 kilos and 18 kilos, and the streets of Tokyo are not very friendly towards wheelie bags. So, next time we see you, we'll be on the train to the airport. What are you doing? That's why you get a wife. She does these things. Alright, see you on the train. She doesn't talk in the mornings. So we got to the train station. Turns out they don't open till 5:45, only 10 minutes before our departure. So now we're just going to sit here with our bags and use the free internet. Anyway, so once that door or roller door's open, we're going to rush onto that train. This is the leg room. So, what we're going to do with this video today is say good luck to us. This is the life of standby travel. So we got tickets, we got seats for our flight to Hong Kong, but we've only got an hour and 55 connection time to our next flight to Chiang Mai. We have to go through immigration, we have to collect our bags, go back upstairs, recheck the bags, and probably go to another terminal. And you see, hour 55, that should be okay. And then you realise it's Hong Kong airport and it's about 20,000 kilometres long. So, good luck for us. We'll check back in if we are in Chiang Mai. See you in a second, and good luck us. We made it.
We made it!
Through all the trials
And tribulations.
and tribulations, we made it to Chiang Mai. Guys, this week is to relax now. We're just going to have no real agenda. Sleep in, eat food, a little exploring, get massages. Yeah, a whole lot of sleeping. We've been up for about 18, 19 hours now, so let's get some water and some food and go to sleep. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, good morning. Can I serve you? I want to touch the wire. Don't touch the wire. It is not the next day, it's the day after, because we spent yesterday just relaxing and we slept for like 13 hours.
Yeah.
So good. What we're going to do now though is we're going to head up to the Golden Temple, which is what's Feyui Tech?
Sure.
Something like that. So let's get a grab and let's head on up the mountain and check out this what? Sweet.
See ya.
Alright guys, we made it to the top of this hill. So we have about 300 stairs to walk up. I haven't told Anna that yet.
What?
Always make her do stairs on holiday somewhere. finished at the elephant sanctuary now, back at the hotel. That drive back was long, very tight fitting in that little ute.
So ready to get out of it by the end.
Yeah. We're going to try and find a tuk-tuk to take us on down to the river so we can release a little floating lantern. Yes. And we'll show you that, so let's do it now. And there's fireworks going all the time. Hello, my friends. Yes, you do. Alright, well it's very noisy here, so we're just going to leave you here and we'll see you tomorrow when we head to the big lantern release. And I'll get off the road here. Alright, we'll catch you guys then. Bye!